Those are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Good day traders, StockLegends.com. Today we're looking at SEEK for April 3rd, 2012. Be sure to subscribe to our new text message SMS alert system by texting LEGENDS to 411247. Please visit StockLegends.com. You can subscribe to our email alerts by entering your name and email address here. Also, if you take a look at the top of the screen where it says today's alert, click on it and you'll be able to access our in-depth research report for SEEK. Taking a look at the technicals, this is a great chart. We basically have a sideways consolidation. The stock appears to be bouncing between our lows of 0009 and our highs at 0.0018, which is actually from our lows to our highs a 100% move. We can see previously the stock was moving in a downward trend. We have a purple resistance line that we've drawn here to indicate the stock moving in a downward trend. We can see that it comes in contact with the resistance and it pushes the stock price down lower. So when we break our resistance line, that we see the stock have a nice run. After touching 0.009, it ran up to a high of 0.0018. You can see it tested it once and then had a pullback and tested it a second time and failed to break it. We were able to indicate an upward trend support line, pushing the stock prices up higher. Where we broke the support, the stock ended up having another correction after building up resistance at 0.0018. From here again, a very similar pattern that we saw before. We've got a downward type trend resistance pushing the prices down. Again, we came down to our 0.0009 support area where we're now building a nice long-term support. We've got another breakout occurring here, so it's very likely we could see a run back up at least to the 0.0018 area from the current close of 0.0011, 0011. It's very close to a double, so very close to it. We could see an excellent move come in the future. We have great volume here trading over the last several days. Just about we had 8.3 million shares traded today. It's about the daily average. Certainly looking good, having a lot of liquidity and volume traded before a breakout is usually suggesting we're going to see a nice run occur. We also have the trick signal I wanted to point out. This seems to be giving excellent buy and sell signals. You can see that when they cross upwards, and I've drawn a vertical line highlighted by a circle, that indicates that the tricks is losing its negative momentum and is indicating that positive momentum is starting to come into the stock. You can see that once the tricks crossed, we got our breakout signal and then the price ran. Again, inversely similar to how we had a support. Once the support broke, the tricks closed down and then we had a pullback. Again, we're seeing the same thing again. The tricks is crossed over. We've got a breakout here and the volume looks good. We should see a nice run occur. It's a great chart pattern setup. It's what we would call a descending triangle where we have a downward resistance pushing against a strong support. The resistance gives away and it gives rise for a run. Now certainly the stock can move above 0.0018. It's the next major resistance area. I think it's a great target for everybody. Of course, you know, we won't really know whether or not the stock price can break it until we get there, but certainly has a great opportunity for this to hit that particular target, and it seems like we can get up there. Looking at the RSI as well, I just want to mention one last indicator here. We're currently at 46.94, about 47 on the RSI. It's our strength indicator. We previously hit overbought right about 70, so it looks like we have some room to run. Possibly you could use that 70 indicator as an overbought signal, similar to how the last overbought indicator came in here at right around 70 on the RSI. Of course, depending on the strength of the volume, it could certainly push it up higher. Looking at what we have here versus the last run, it looks like volume today is certainly stronger than what we saw in the last one. So that would indicate if volume remains strong over the next several days, we could probably push the RSI beyond the 70 mark. But certainly we want to watch the price resistance here at 0018. Thanks very much for watching. Happy trading.